This is iPhone 15 and today I will show how you can fix or prevent overheating on this device. So 2 essential tips, for your phone to not overheat at the first place is to first avoid exposing it to the direct sun rays and direct sunlight in general for extended periods of time. And second advice being that you do not overcharge your battery and always try to charge your phone at the optimal charging rate. So, at this point, almost everybody is going to use the fast charge for an iPhone, and I guess always the fast charge will result in the overheating. So if you are not that concerned about the speed at which your device gets charged, but rather would like to prevent it from overheating and increasing the internal temperatures, you just try to charge it with regular non-fast charging equipment. And then if your device is already overheated, you can do a few simple measures. So go into settings, then battery, and turn on the low power mode. On top of that, you can also throw the dark mode and automatic or adaptive brightness. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.